Assalamu alaikum friend, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a big amazing update and news about the torque. So in my previous videos we already discussed in detail about the torque and why we already discussed why torque is going to be the next big coin like Doggy and Bitcoin. We also compared their charts and their progress on live coin watch. So today I am here with the amazing update about torque. We also discussed in previous videos that how everyone who is holder of the torque can get a $1000 torque daily by participating in their giveaway. Today we discuss how torque is growing by doing partnership with different sites. As you know, the value of the torque is increasing day by day. It's only due to the torque great effort and their marketing team efforts. And another reason is that the torque is growing due to making different partnership with different amazing and famous sites which are exchangeable sites. And you can also see that the torque is listed on different 13 exchangeable sites. These are Bitmart, Uniswap, Hotbit, Coinsbit, and Bilaxy.com, Probit.com, and Finexbox.com, and Latoken.com, Whitebit, and Digifinex Bbox.com is also mentioned here. Now, today, here you can see that the torque is also listed on the coin payment site. So now by the listing on it, now worldwide community can store, send and receive Tor token through coins payment, because Tor is live now on the coins payment and everyone can now earn a huge profit by sharing, storing and receiving Tor daily. Here you can also see the Tor quick states. By scrolling down you can find out their quick state that is mentioned here. The creation date of the torque is 20th July 2021 and development stage is fully released, and current supply is also mentioned, total supply is also mentioned here, and you can also see that their algorithm is about ERC20. So this is based on the Ethereum side, and when you search on the coins payment by searching the Ethereum based tokens, you can also find that torque is also listed here. So after this, and by doing this kind of the partnership, torque utility increasing day by day, and after some time it will be the next BTC, and it will be the next Doggy coin, and everyone who buy it now with small price will generate a huge profit, because every day torque demand is increasing and it will be it is going to the moon in small time. So I recommend you all to go and buy it, because after some time it will be the big coin, because I am hearing more such partnership talks by torque with various partners, and soon many partnership deals will be signed, increasing the utility of the torque. As you all know that the torque is listed on almost 13 exchanges. Torque listed about 13 exchanges and the prices are increasing day by day. It's high time to buy and hold Torque, so that once these partnerships are executed, the value of the Torque will be increased many times, and then you require more investment to buy it and hold it. But now it is easy and required minimum amount to buy it, because now its price is low, but according to the prediction it is increasing day by day. And if you buy it now and hold it for some time, it will be more beneficial for you, and you can earn a huge profit by holding it now. So this is my short video about the new update about the torque, and I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see each and every update about torque and each and every information how you can earn and how you can generate huge profit by using cryptocurrency sites or cryptocurrency airdrops. Thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Thank you very much. Allah.